Hello guys, it's me again. I am back with another amazing homework. Today we are going to make a wet cake. Ingredients of it are 3 eggs, a glass of sugar, a glass of milk, a glass of sunflower oil, a pack of vanilla and baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, a glass and 2 tablespoons of flour. Initially, sugar and eggs are added to a bowl which has adequate depth. Later on, it is beaten till it will be cream. Then oil, milk and vanilla are added. And it is beaten again. After that, cocoa and flour are added. For a last time, the mixture is beaten properly. A baking pan is greased by using a tablespoon of oil and mixture is poured to baking pan. After that, mixture is baked for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius by the oven which is preheated. Even if we had done a lot of things, it didn't end yet. While it is being baked, sauce must be prepared. The ingredients of the sauce are a glass of milk, 4 tablespoons of cocoa, a glass of sugar, a tea glass of oil and a pinch of salt. It is the easiest part actually. All ingredients are added to a saucepan. And it is stirred till it boils. After it is boiled, it is poured into the cake just baked. Then let it cool down.
One eternity later.
Later on, almond or etc. can be sprinkled to cake. But due to the fact that I don't have any, I sprinkled a few pinches of coconut. Finally, it can be sliced and eaten with pleasure. Bon appetit folks, and see you soon!